Hi, I am Ignacio Bello, a civil engineer and computer science student at Universidad de los Andes. In this video, I will describe my internship at KIM, where I built automation and data analysis tools for the IT department. AtKim is a Chilean company founded in 2012 focused on fuel distribution and chemical products, with over 75 employees across several departments. I worked in a small IT team responsible for developing internal tools that supported the entire organization. The team consisted of a chief of staff, SAP and Salesforce specialist, IT support, and a group of interns. During the internship, I built 3 tools. The one I'll focus on the most is Project 1, the fuel price management app, which was by far the most challenging. Projects 2 and 3 involved sales monitoring and a Teams chatbot. The fuel price management app replaced a process that was entirely manual. Every week, an analyst updated prices across multiple Excel spreadsheets, a process that took 1 to 2 hours and had a high risk of errors. After building the system, the same process now takes 10 to 15 minutes. The web app handles everything, uploading supplier documents, calculating price table, and pushing them directly into SAP. This project was challenging for 4 specific reasons. First, I had to reverse engineer the business logic. The pricing formula lived across several undocumented Excel files, and I had to spend nearly 2 weeks with an analyst mapping every variable, such as margins, freight cost, taxes, and IVA, even before I started coding. Second, extracting data from XLS files. The supplier documents came in an old Excel format that was difficult to parse programmatically. I solved this by converting them into data frames, and using Azure OpenAI to extract the relevant pricing fields reliably. Third, the SAP integration. The app needed to read data from SAP tables and write prices back to the ERP. Understanding the API authentication and database structure required close work with the SAP specialist. And fourth, deploying on Azure from scratch with no prior Azure experience, I had to learn how to use the services correctly. The final system follows a 5-step flow. The user uploads a supplier document, Azure OpenAI extracts the price data, the backend calculates the final prices, the user reviews and adjusts configurable parameters if needed, and then the prices are sent directly to SAP. The application was built with React on the front end, Django on the back end, all running on Azure. The other 2 projects, the sales monitoring system pulls data from 4 marketplaces every morning and delivers automated reports to the team by 9 a.m., covering over 70 products. The team chatbots lets a user ask a sales question in natural language and get charts directly in the chat. The large language model detects intent, and predefined code generates the output. To wrap up, I reduced a 2-hour manual process to 15 minutes, integrated technologies I had to learn on the job, and took away a key lesson. Before writing code, you need to deeply understand the business and the processes. That's what made this project the most challenging and most rewarding. Thank you.